Oh, he is quick.
Woohoo! That's my little man. Woo!
Silly.
Silly boy. Woo! Look at those legs.
You're so long. Oh.
Can I show you something? You see the danger thing on
That's
this?
my laser pointer.
I know. Kalani was doing this. He was pointing this thing at Noah's forehead. Do you see this thing? It says on here. Have you ever read that?
Yeah, I've read that.
Why did you think they would put that? And you're like putting it right in your eye.
It doesn't even hurt.
Not right away.